Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Hats, Hats, Hats by Deborah Schecter. I have a hat that is tall. I have a hat that is tall. I have a hat that is small. I have a hat that is small. I have a hat that has holes. I have a hat that has holes. I have a hat that rolls. I have a hat that rolls. I have a hat that flops. I have a hat that flops. I have a hat that is a mop. I have a hat that is a mop. Hats, hats, hats. I like hats a lot. Hats, hats, hats. I like hats a lot.